All right. Not the best idea to do this trail in the wet with tubes still in, but let's see how it feels. It's gonna be hard to make these corners now. Even longer bike. And I didn't even come close. That is not a good premonition of things to come. Saw that one coming, but Jesus Christ. So much worse than I thought it would be. Mostly the tires, to be honest. If I had some traction, I'd be able to actually dig in. Not looking forward to the roots. There's zero traction, I could barely turn. Probably should have lowered the pressure, but I just don't want the tube to snake bite under 210 pounds of weight. Oh, this is scary. Why am I doing this? Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. I know you guys can't really see the, oh fuck, the wheel's losing traction, but Jesus Christ, I cannot turn. My tubeless valves are coming in the mail today, so hopefully this is the last time I have to do this. Oh my God. I am crawling down this. Oh. Okay. Not bad. Go out this way for the first time in forever. Holy fuck. Okay, that's sketchy. Jesus Christ. Of course, I'd almost die from that, not the jumps. Any more surprises? Oh, fuck. There's a freaking weed going buck wild in my fucking cassette. Whatever. so annoying. Oh God. The dirt rock garden, courtesy of gophers and stuff. Should we take a free ride shortcut? Oh my God. Maybe a bad idea. Oh, kitch track looks like almost rideable. It dug in so much, I hate to say it, but I almost went over the bars. Not really gonna go by Butcher because I already know what Butcher looks like. And that's where I'm gonna go after the rain. What Malaga really needs is not only a hard rain, but like a windy one that's just blowing it sideways, and it actually carries all that sandy topsoil down the hill a bit and away from where you're building. Oh, I can barely turn. And this is why I'm not, I wanted to do like a full trail ride like Dave's, but that would be way too dangerous after a little sprinkle with tubes in my tires and high pressure and a cliff on the right side. It's just not a great idea. So just doing a little dirt check before the rain comes in. I'm definitely not going to build here yet, but can do Butcher and then do Malaga late season. I need to set this thing up tubeless to really see how it rides, because you can't really judge it the way it's set up now. That's just stupid. Whoa, they're building more stuff, seems like. And that is about as pretty as it gets at Malaga. You can tell it definitely didn't rain. There's zero water running.